Okay, now we're going to make the Magic Bars recipes. So you need a 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs. To that you're going to add 1/2 cup of melted butter. You need a 13 by 9 pan greased and lined with parchment paper. Mix that up. You need 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 cup of chopped nuts, 1 14-ounce can sweetened condensed milk, and 1.5 cups of coconut. Put it in the pan. Press that out to make our crust. It is now 3:30 Easter Sunday, 3:30 in the morning. Can I procrastinate or can I procrastinate? I'm going to sprinkle our coconut over that. Preferably evenly as well. Again, I think I've eaten these, but I don't think I've ever made these. I know I haven't ever made these. I used to make coconut macaroons all the time. It's been a long time since I've done those. The weather has to be just right or they just won't peak. And it's supposed to be 2 cups of chocolate chips, but I went ahead and used the entire 12-ounce package because it was just going to be like a handful left. Okay, spread that out. And I'm using pecans for the nuts, and I ran them through the chopper, so they're probably finer than they need to be. I hate chopping by hand if I don't have to. And yes, my hands are clean. I've washed them so much today that they're thoroughly. It doesn't bother me. Okay, let's spread out. And we'll do our chocolate chips. Like I said, yeah, I kind of measured with my heart. There's a little bit more than 2 cups there. And I use semi-sweet, but I imagine you could probably use milk chocolate or butterscotch. Probably even the peanut butter. Peanut butter probably wouldn't taste good with the coconut, but I bet the butterscotch would probably taste good with the coconut. The other ones I got in the oven are white chocolate chips with the coconut, pineapple, and macadamia nut, and rum extract, and pina colada magic bars. These are just the regular magic bars. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have too many chocolate chips. That's okay. You can't have too much chocolate, right? That was probably what was left extra, but I'll use it because I don't think I'll make anything else with chocolate anytime soon. Okay, get those spread out, evened out, so they're all piled up in there. Okay, now I'm going to drizzle your sweet condensed milk over the top. The other one used some rum extract in this. You could probably add some sort of flavoring to it, whatever complements the type you're making, I guess. This says drizzle it over the top, so that's what I'm doing. That last bit. Okay, I'll pop these in the oven with my other ones. Let's set a separate timer. I believe these go about 23, 27 minutes. And start checking them maybe around 20, depending on your oven. Our oven cooks very fast, so I really have to keep an eye on it. Okay, that's all I'm going to get out of there. Alright, and I will pop those in the oven. And I'll come back and show you what they look like when I get them out. Okay, I think my other ones are done. Hopefully. I definitely put too much chocolate on them. Because, yeah. Let those totally cool and then cut those up. Done with the oven for the night, so we'll turn it off. They're still brown. I can't tell if it's brown because I put too many chocolate chips on there. I think they're done. I don't want to overdo them. Alright, we'll put those next to the others and let those cool down. And hopefully, here in a few minutes, I can get the other ones out and cut them up. Alright, I'll show you what they look like when we cut them up. Here's what the magic bars look like.